If you have been trying to create a Facebook page and you've been getting the error message that you have created too many pages recently and that you should try again later, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you 4 ways that you can resolve that issue so that you can create your page and get on with your business. All right, and the first thing you need to do is to use Facebook leads. All right, so instead of using the normal Facebook app, right, the normal Facebook app that we all know, you want to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, whatever it is you're using, and download the Facebook Leads app. I've actually used this before and it actually worked for me. So I believe that 1 out of the 4 of these options I'm going to be giving you is going to work. All right, so you want to use Facebook Leads. Log into your account on Facebook Leads and create your page. All right, so after creating your page, just go back to your normal Facebook account, log out of the Facebook link, and then go back to your normal Facebook account, and then you will be able to access the page from there. Then from there you can now set up the page and do whatever it is you want to, all the setups you want to do. All right, so Facebook leads, using Facebook leads is one of the ways to bypass that common issue. All right, another option you want to use if Facebook lead does not work or something else you want to try is to use another browser. All right, so let's say for instance you're using Google Chrome and whenever you try to create a page you're getting this error message. You want to try another browser, say Mozilla Firefox or any of these other browsers. All right, so you want to try to log into your Facebook account using any of these other browsers aside from Google Chrome. So log into your account and then try to create the page from there. All right, so that's the second method you want to use. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, this is Smart Skills Up TV with me, Mary Adole, and all that I do here is showing you seamless ways to make money in the online space. And if you're yet to be subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be aware when we post similar videos like this showing you how to make money in the online space in seamless ways. All right, so we've talked about how to create your Facebook page using Facebook Leads. We've also talked about changing your browser in case you're using Google Chrome and it's not working. All right, so the third method you want to use to create a Facebook page is to use a VPN. All right, so I think that this issue is common with Nigerians. I'm not certain though, but probably it is common with because I've heard these complaints more from people who live in Nigeria and in other African countries. So if you want to bypass that error, you can use a VPN. So there are many VPNs out there. There is Windscribe. There are actually a lot of them, but at this moment, Windscribe is the only one that seems to be coming to mind. So there are actually others out there. So all you just need to do is to get the VPN installed on your device, either on your mobile device or on your laptop, and then go on to create your page. All right, so that's the third option that you want to use. All right, then the last option that you can actually use to create a Facebook page if you're getting the error message is to change your network provider. All right, so if you're using MTN, you can use Glo. If you're using MTN and it's not working, you can try Glo. You can try 9mobile and the other network providers. Say you're not in Nigeria, you can use the other network providers that are in your location. The reason is because sometimes it could actually be a network glitch. All right, so I recall that I used to have this issue and then I tried it later at night and it worked for me. I also recall that I had the issue and then I tried it on my mobile phone. I was having the issue on my laptop and I tried it on my mobile phone and I was able to create the page. So sometimes it is just an issue, it could just be a network issue, right? So you want to try all of these options and then see which is going to work for, because eventually you'll be needing a Facebook page to carry out your business with Facebook. For instance, you want to run adverts, you want to do, or you're looking to monetize your Facebook page. So these are some of the things. So getting a page is very, very important if you either want to monetize your Facebook page or you want to create ads. All right, so it's actually very important to create a page, and it can actually be very frustrating when you're getting that error message that you can't create a page. All right, so trying all of these options, you would definitely be able to create a page for yourself. All right, so I recently did a video talking about how to monetize your Facebook page. I've done like up to 2 videos now talking about how to monetize your Facebook page. If you want to see that video, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video showing you what are the steps you need to take to monetize your Facebook page, even if you live in a country where the Facebook monetization hasn't yet been rolled out, because it is not all countries that have yet been eligible for monetization. However, there are actually ways around it, which is what I have talked about in those videos. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description of this video to show you how to monetize. And if you've done all else and you're still not able to create your page, you can actually come into my WhatsApp DM, and then we can talk about how we can help you further to create a Facebook page. All right, I'm also going to be leaving the link to my WhatsApp in the description of this video, so that you can also come through and chat me up in case you also have any other questions. And also, I'm a Facebook and Google Ads expert. So if ever you want to run ads for your business and you don't know how to go about it, you can also come to me in my DM, and then we can talk about how to set up your ads for success. All right. And also, if you want to learn how to run Facebook ads in 2023 and beyond, so that you're able to put out your business to millions of people who would take the actions that are important to you, you can also take my Facebook ads course called Sell Out with Facebook Ads. All right, so everything starts with a discussion on a conversation we're going to be having on my WhatsApp DM, and which is why I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video, so that you can come up to me and we can talk all about it. All right, so I believe that you have gotten value from this video. You have gotten the ideas that you need to create your Facebook page if you're having issues creating a page in 2023. All right, so you want to click on you want to like this video and also share it with other people, so that Facebook can so that YouTube can also help us to share this video across to other people who would be interested in getting value from this video as well. All right, so thank you so very much. I believe you have subscribed to our channel, and I'll see you in subsequent tutorials. Bye for now.